Every chocolate bar begins with the careful selection of cocoa beans. Manual harvest ensures only the ripest pods are chosen. Efficient loading moves harvest to the next stage.
These pods are heavy today. Yes, a good harvest. Almost at the truck.
From farm to factory, cocoa beans start their journey. Every bean is tracked from tree to processing facility. Fresh cocoa beans enter the heart of chocolate production. Quality starts at the very first inspection.
This one looks good. Yeah, into the crate.
This one's damaged, discard. Beans are extracted with care to preserve flavor potential. Fermentation develops the chocolate's signature aroma and taste.
Controlled natural conditions ensure consistent flavor.
Patience and precision shape the foundation of premium chocolate. Temperature and humidity control are key to perfect beans.
Every bean transforms slowly into chocolate potential.
Properly fermented beans are ready for drying. Controlled heat finalizes the fermentation process. Drying locks in flavor and reduces moisture for storage. Only the best beans continue to chocolate creation. Every chocolate bar begins its journey with carefully stored, high-quality beans. Beans are carefully transported from farm to factory. Every bean enters the facility under controlled supervision. Accurate measurement ensures consistent roasting batches. Proper storage preserves bean quality prior to roasting. Roasting transforms raw beans into chocolate flavor. Controlled heat unlocks the chocolate's aroma. Precision ensures beans reach perfect roast without burning. Cooling locks in flavor and prepares beans for winnowing. Shell removal reveals the pure chocolate nibs inside. Visual inspection ensures only high-quality nibs proceed. Grinding transforms nibs into the chocolate base. Liquor is the foundation of chocolate's texture.
Precise recipes define each chocolate bar.
Thorough blending ensures consistency in every batch. Conching develops flavor and smooth texture.
Continuous quality checks ensure perfection.
Careful storage preserves chocolate quality before shaping. From bean to liquor, every step is precise and controlled. The factory is designed for efficiency, safety, and high-volume chocolate production. Controlled access ensures every step meets quality standards. Organized spaces guide workers efficiently through the facility. Inside, raw ingredients are transformed into fine chocolate. Tempering gives chocolate its smooth texture and shine. Careful control prevents crystallization issues. Precision ensures chocolate remains glossy and stable. Gentle agitation produces perfect smoothness. Each batch is tested to meet our quality benchmarks. Every bar begins to take its final form. Precision molds shape the chocolate bars consistently. Controlled flow ensures every bar is identical. Human oversight complements automation. Cooling locks the shape and texture of each bar. Controlled cooling ensures the perfect snap and shine. Chocolate emerges ready for final shaping and decoration. Before packaging, every bar is carefully inspected and prepared. Clean surfaces ensure perfect presentation and flavor. Human eyes complement machine precision. Only the finest bars proceed to decoration and packaging. Perfect alignment ensures smooth coating and consistent appearance. Enrobing adds sheen and guards the chocolate's integrity. Visual appeal is as important as taste. Cooling locks toppings and coating perfectly in place. Every bar meets strict visual quality standards. Traceability is built into every chocolate bar. Wrapping preserves freshness and elegance. Quality control ensures every bar is flawless. Efficient stacking prepares bars for shipment. Secure boxes prevent damage during transport. Human oversight complements automated packing. Organized logistics optimize warehouse efficiency. Refining gives chocolate its silky texture. Conching develops flavor and removes unwanted acidity. Quality is tested at every step to maintain perfection. Every batch enters tempering for consistent gloss and snap. Tempering locks in structure for flawless chocolate bars. Precision control guarantees quality for every bar. Every chocolate bar begins to take its final shape. Controlled cooling preserves structure and shine. Only flawless bars continue in production. Final coating ensures perfect presentation and shelf stability. Decoration adds visual appeal and signature flavor. Each bar is verified to meet exacting standards. Traceability is built into every chocolate bar. Wrapping protects freshness and ensures elegance. Organized stacking prepares bars for shipment and storage. Secure packaging ensures safe transport to market. Core processing transforms raw cocoa into perfect chocolate bars. Precision conveyors move every bar efficiently through the finishing stage. Edge trimming ensures a clean, professional appearance. Human eyes confirm that automation meets exacting standards. Secondary wrapping protects and showcases the brand. Every bar is traceable from factory to consumer. Organized flow prevents jams and maintains efficiency. Automation speeds up the finishing process while maintaining precision. Shrink wrapping secures products for safe storage and shipment. Human verification ensures every pallet is secure.
Proper staging ensures quick and accurate order fulfillment.
Real-time tracking guarantees product availability and traceability. Every environmental factor is monitored to maintain quality. Consistent appearance is as crucial as taste.
No bar is left behind. Perfection is key.
Bars move seamlessly into packaging for dispatch. Efficient box preparation speeds up the finishing process. Careful loading ensures bars reach consumers intact. High-speed finishing transforms chocolate bars into market-ready perfection.
Robotics enhance speed and precision, reducing human error.
Advanced vision systems ensure only perfect bars proceed. Real-time scans detect surface defects, color shifts, and alignment errors. Automated systems divert any non-conforming products. Imperfections are caught before packaging, maintaining high standards. Automation ensures consistent branding across thousands of bars. Traceability is embedded at every stage for safety and compliance. Synchronization between machines accelerates production efficiency. Precision robotics handle bulk packaging without damage. Palletizing robots optimize space and workflow. Automation secures products for safe handling and shipping. Intelligent guidance systems streamline logistics with safety. Real-time inventory ensures full traceability of every chocolate bar. Controlled environment preserves chocolate quality for weeks. Centralized control ensures seamless integration of all automated systems. Hygiene is maintained rigorously through automation. Proactive maintenance minimizes downtime and ensures smooth production. Automation maximizes efficiency while maintaining flawless chocolate production. High-tech automation ensures consistent quality and high throughput. Precision conveyors prepare bars for flawless final presentation. Polishing ensures each bar gleams with perfection. Lasers detect imperfections invisible to the naked eye. Only flawless bars progress toward the final stages. Human oversight complements automated precision. Accuracy guarantees uniformity across every batch. Correct orientation ensures proper fit and presentation. Automation ensures speed and consistent packaging quality. Proper sealing protects the chocolate during transport. Quality checks ensure safe delivery to consumers. Robots optimize storage space and reduce human effort. Shrink wrapping secures products for transport. Organized storage ensures quick retrieval for distribution. Environment control preserves chocolate quality for weeks.
Every pallet is verified before leaving the factory.
Precision finishing ensures every pallet is ready for distribution. Precision finishing guarantees chocolate bars meet the highest standards before leaving the factory. Quality control begins in a strictly controlled lab environment. Samples are prepared meticulously to ensure accurate results. Every surface flaw is recorded and assessed. Microscopic air bubbles and fine cracks detected on this batch. Severity is low, but we'll log it for trend analysis. Moisture levels affect shelf life and texture, so they are monitored closely.
Consistent fat and cocoa content ensures flavor and quality.
Sweetness levels are verified to meet the recipe standards.
The texture is smooth, but the flavor is slightly off.
Agreed, let's adjust the cocoa blend.
I'll log that for production.
Proper snap and texture define premium chocolate. Safety testing ensures chocolate is safe for consumption. Microbial testing guarantees hygiene and product safety. Data-driven decisions ensure only perfect batches continue. Seamless integration links lab results to production in real time. Random audits maintain ongoing product excellence. Rigorous lab testing guarantees that every chocolate bar leaving the factory is safe, delicious, and perfect. Final packaging begins as boxes are prepared for storage and shipment. Automation guarantees efficient and precise pallet formation. Shrink wrapping secures products for storage and shipment. Every pallet is verified before entering storage. Efficient logistics ensure organized warehouse storage. Proper storage guarantees product stability until shipment. Real-time tracking ensures every batch is accounted for. Orders are prepared efficiently for timely delivery. Carefully loaded pallets ensure safe transport to customers. Trucks deliver finished chocolate bars efficiently across distribution networks. Coordinated logistics streamline delivery schedules. Digital logging guarantees full traceability from factory to customer. Every shipment undergoes a final quality verification. Finished chocolate bars leave the factory for distribution. Warehousing ensures continuous availability of chocolate products.
Forward to the truck! Careful now!
Logistics coordination ensures timely delivery nationwide.
Set it down. Ready to close. And this is how modern factories produce chocolate bars from start to finish.
Finished chocolate bars are now on their way to delight consumers worldwide.